So just want to show you guys that we have miniature versions of our doors also that have come to the store now. These are new doors by NCR Group known as Dura Door. Now we just wanted to show you that this door has the matching door and the door frame that comes with it. So usually that's where you all face a challenge. Over here we got the best of the hardware. We got Heritage fittings in. So the lock and the handle I just showed you. Also there is a stop over here known as a casing wick that basically just prevents your noise isolation and your door from slamming, basically like how you see over here. Now over here, this is another series of ours. So this is the natural series, as you all can see in the catalog. Then comes the signature over here right now. So this is just another one of our signature series. As you all can see, the hardware over here, these are known as flush hinges. So these hinges do not need like a khacha inside of your door. They just go, when they shut, they just become flush to the fitting over there. Over here you can see there's a matching color of the casing wick also, so it will not be white and give you a shabby appearance. Every wick is matching to the same color. The door frame and the door are also of the same species. Now if you look over here, we are just showing that it's been locked. 1 minute. So normal up. Another one of our signature series, and then comes one of my favorite ones. This is known as a soft touch. This one is one of the most best doors that I've touched right now. It's super soft. So is the framing, so is the door, and this also has the same features. Heritage ka hardware over here, and just the casing wicks that you all are seeing over here. Then comes to another one of our variation. When you all can see this nice crown pattern on the door. This is also locked right now, but yeah, there's another one of our doors. You can see even the inside of the door, the frame, the area near the frame, the flush hinges, everything. And this is a your Dura Door comes with a saying fit it, forget it. Basically this is a no nonsense door when it comes to installation. Dura Door's entire team comes to do the fitting for you, wherein they give you the entire frame, they give you the hardware, they give you the wick, they give you the door, which will have the same foil as that on the frame. So right now this size that you're seeing, this is the size for a bathroom door. As you all can see, this is the this is our next door now. Wherein we're just showing you how all of Dura Door's fittings are all scratch resistant. No kind of scratch. Gold class raw materials. Termite resistance, so no issues with that. Water resistance. Thousands of options that are there. Energy efficient casing wick, which is this casing wick over here right now, which is this point. And chemical resistant. That means आप कोई भी कपड़ा लेके इसको आराम से पोंछ सकते हैं. Apart from that, this door that you're seeing right now is the Trend Vision in the signature series. So there's a glass option inside of your door itself, and even you all are seeing that the fittings over here are matching the same as the door and matching the same as the door frame that you get with it, even the architrave. Now coming to our next door. ये lock हो गया. So this is another one of our signature series. As you can see, you have aluminium profile options over here. The same Heritage fittings, the same color of your door frame, the same color as your foil, and also the same matching casing wick that you get over here as an option. You can see our next series now. Let me just show you. Series. Another one of the same, in the same species. This is just a bigger version of what I just showed you guys. Scratch resistant, termite proof, waterproof, chemical resistance. Like this door has it all. Also has fire resistant properties inside of it. And this is the big blown up version of Soft Touch, which is one of my favorite doors. You can see the nice paneling options that we have over here in this as well. That gives it a nice decorative feel. There is a white color casing wick over here that will match your walls. And then we got the same matching door and door frame over here basically. And the same Heritage ka fittings over here. Now over here, Soft Touch is also available in white and also has a glass option variant, as you all can see in this catalog over here. There are also different kinds of foil options that are available. I'll just be posting the PDF of this so you all will be able to see a better version of this particular document that I'm showing you.